We saw in the earlier videos about the linear kind of correlation, but it is also possible that the correlation between the variables which we are considering is non-linear in nature. So, non-linear correlation, also known as curvilinear correlation, is the case when the ratio of change between the two variables is not constant. So, if say one variable increases and the other variable is increasing but in not the same ratio, then it is called nonlinear correlation. So if we plot the relationship between those such variables on a graph, and the scatter plot which we will get will be like this. Let us see how will it look like. So these are the two possible scenarios in which the data which we have collected can be represented. So we see that the data points that we have collected lie near the smooth line which is called the best fit line. So these do not lie exactly on that line, which shows that the ratio is variable. It is not a constant. So first it is decreasing in this case, and then the relationship between the two is an increasing one. So this is a fall as x variable increases, y variable is falling, but not in the same ratio. So these two are the examples of a non-linear correlation. That's all for today. Thank you.